Yo, what you do with the useful hours? Don't make the algorithm fool you and have you scroll a go away. You know, before you scroll with your life, try to read a book, bro. Try to do something else. Make some positive action every day before you take up your phone and scroll. Because this shit is addictive, you know. You'll be on the phone forever. When you look 2-3 hours gone out of your life where you can't get back. You see me? So have some goals, have some things where objectives, a daily objective where you need to achieve and go at them. Because if you not go at them, guess what gonna happen? Your time just a fly pass, and them useful hours it will catch up on you when you need them most. You not have the strength again, a grey hair in your head, and you realize you waste your useful hours on social media, and now you need but the energy where you did have